Very good evening, friends. This is Rahul Magan here as Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. Standing today on, in fact, 29th October 2020, which is precisely 5 a.m. in Singapore timing, I would like to give you a very good news. And that good news is that now Treasury Consulting is having an access to the interbank desk rate of USD INR. As we clearly understand that USD INR trades throughout the day. But unfortunately, people believe that the trading time of USD INR is between 9 a.m. to 4:30 or roughly 5 p.m. No, that's exactly wrong. Even today, even right now when I speak with you, which is around 5 a.m. 29th October Singapore time, USD INR is getting traded in Singapore market, maybe Australian and Tokyo market also. And we also understand that there is a bid-ask spread which we have in USD INR. Being a foreign exchange expert, you know me very well. Since it's a bid-ask spread we have in USD INR, Treasury Consulting Group now have an access to interbank, and Treasury Consulting is now launching yet another service, which is USD INR interbank desk service. Whereby, now what happens when a customer hit the market? Most of the times, people don't have Reuters, they don't have Bloomberg. The question is not the cost, the question is the knowledge and the understanding. That's more important thing, to be honest. Treasury Consulting is blessed, and hopefully in another 1 or 2 years we will have more terminals, which is OMS, FXall and all. Now what we are trying to do right now is we would be launching a service in a very phased manner effective tomorrow, which is 29th. In fact, effective today, 29th, which is we would be linking the bid and ask which are in the public domain with the interbank rate, and there is a spread to it. There are three spreads. One is the bid spread, interbank bid spread, interbank ask spread, and interbank mid spread. We would be covering that spread, and we would be letting people know that how exactly this spread can play out in your if you're taking export and import positions. Considering that today is Thursday, and by Saturday evening we would be launching a format that would be covering, of course, USD INR and the forward premiums and the options. It's a very holistic format which we are making. And of course, not everything is in public domain, to be honest. This format, what we are making, that format would definitely let you know. And few days we will release this format in public domain, and then we only release a part of it. And with the help of the interbank desk, we would be able to help our client in terms of their buying and selling. We would be help the client in terms of saving a lot of cost in USD INR. And hell lot of action is on the card, that I'm assuring you. Hell lot of action is on the cards, that is my assurance. Treasury Consulting is committed to enter into each and every segment of the financial market due to competence. And we feel that our competence is unmatchable. And we demonstrated several times. We have started this service for our PMS customers, and effective tomorrow, they will continue to get this service. More importantly, we would be launching a format on Saturday, and a lot of things on the cards. We thank you very much to someone in the sky who is helping us a lot, and we would continue to our endeavor is to launch a lot of new products in the public domain. And we are very hopeful that by December 2021 we would be having not less than 100 plus products in the public domain, which includes commodities, currencies, crypto, reporting, hedge fund, fixed income, and many such things. That's my assurance. Apart from what we have trainings, and we have video trainings and so many things. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting. You know our WhatsApp 9818485155. All people, those who do not like us, please don't feel sad because more products are coming. Rest assured. From 20th December till 3rd, 4th January, it's a Christ period. Christ means Christmas, which effectively meant that in this period there is hardly any action in the financial market because all bankers and everyone is on holiday. They don't trade much. It's a very thin period in the market. And I assure you, even from 20th December till 3rd January, we would be launching products. That is what it is. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting, and many new things are on the cards, many new achievements are on the cards, and a very, very beautiful surprise is ready for you, which is coming in the first week of November. Have a great time, sir.